can you pinpoint any particular example or like time that you were using ChatGPT in those early days where you thought that, kind of, wow, this is really something different than we were dealing with before?
In the company, Intercom, we had this challenge, which is that customer support representatives often before they hand over a case, like they're going to get a specialist, they have to write a summary of the case. And people in our inbox, maybe they could spend like 5 minutes talking to a user about the conversation, and then 5 minutes to write a summary, right? And we were like, oh, all the data's there in the conversation. Could we write our own summary? And we had tried to do that. We had done a survey, Cathal on my team and some other people on the team had done a survey of, the state-of-the-art natural language processing techniques about 6 months before ChatGPT launched. And we were like, if you're trying to summarize a big document, these techniques work pretty well. BERT, T5, all these Google models work pretty well. But if you're trying to deal with like messy human conversation, that's a lot harder than summarizing a well-structured document. Machine learning is like a long way away from doing that. And then ChatGPT was able to do summarizations of these messy conversations almost out of the box. We were like, wow, that is amazing. People have been working on this problem for decades. Summarization, the state of the art, is so raw compared to this for our domain. And so we were like, wow, that's just a feature that I made the call. We're going to ship summarization. We're going to ship some other features. And we managed to ship those very quickly. Like ChatGPT launched at the end of November. And by Christmas that year, our own internal customer support team had like a live automatic summarization feature that they could use. And we shipped those to customers and went away for the Christmas holidays. Our customer support team worked over Christmas. All the skeleton crew doing that. And like, so we had data on their usage of this in January. We were like, this looks good. And then shipped it to customers and did a launch, like a kind of a public beta launch by the end of January with testimonials from customers who've been using it for 2-3 weeks. So we executed very quickly on that because we just thought this is huge. This is a really big deal for us.